Now turn this direction and resist. Good. Now stay turned, okay? If we go and it's because the vertebrae move, right? So vertebrae move when you move. They're supposed to, right? So they should be stable. So if we go to the vertebra and when you're in a turned position, you can see we have some issues. Okay, now if you go back to looking straight ahead and I was to touch the same vertebra, it doesn't show up because it's fine in that stable position. Now turn your head back to the right, and so it goes weak. So keep your head turned, drop this down, and we're going to adjust it in this position. So I might have you turn back forward. Good, and back. Good, so we free it up in all different planes of motion. Okay, so if you resist, turn your head back to the right. If we go back, now we're stable.
It does feel, yeah.
And it should feel much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, now turn your head this way and resist. Good, and you see how that's gone as well. Good, perfect.
Pretty rad.
Pain's gone.
That was the adjustment?
That was the adjustment.
That's amazing.